Tutor Match allows students to quickly access on-campus tutors virtually using the BrainFuse whiteboard. Simply access your BrainFuse account, go to Tutor Match, and select your desired topic and subject. From there, you'll be shown the availability of tutors from your institution. Choose a date and time to set an appointment with your preferred tutor. Finally, you have the choice to receive a text reminder and the ability to explain to your tutor what you wish to work on together. When the time comes for your session, go to your account features by hovering over your username in the top right corner. Under the drop-down menu, choose My Calendar. Here, once a tutor has confirmed your request, you'll be able to enter your tutoring session by clicking on the appropriate link.